Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, sound and vibration, phone ringtone and vibrate. You can select one of these standard pre-installed ringtones. Or you can set custom ringtone by selecting it from YouTube Music or from Music, just normal music. I'll just go to select one of the pre-installed ones, for example this one, beautiful ringtone. I don't know, maybe DJ Scratch. Could be this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.